Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Honeybook, Pixieset, and Studio Ninja. When comparing Honeybook, Pixieset, and Studio Ninja, each tool offers distinct features tailored for different business needs. Honeybook is an all-in-one business management solutions ideal for freelancers and small businesses. It helps with managed projects, contracts, invoices, client communications, and automating workflows. Its simplicity makes it perfect for those looking for a comprehensive tool to handle business operations. Pixieset is a platform specifically designed for photographers. It focuses on client-proving, image delivery, and creating beautiful online galleries. Pixieset is great for photographers who need an easy way to showcase and deliver their work to clients, but it lacks broader business management features like invoicing or scheduling that Honeybook and Studio Ninja offers. Studio Ninja is another excellent choice for photographers, providing features like booking management, invoicing, scheduling, and client communications. It's more focused on managing the overall client experience for photographers than Pixieset, which is primarily for image delivery. Studio Ninja allows photographers to streamline their workflow with a well-rounded set of tools for running their business. If you're a photographer looking for a complete business management tool, Studio Ninja or Honeybook would be your best. If you're focused on showcasing and delivering photos, Pixieset is a great choice. However, Honeybook offers a more robust solution for a variety of business tasks beyond just photography. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.